Good morning. How are you? Just giving you the usual morning call. Give me a shout on your way to work. My plans changed a little bit today. I'll still be sleeping in the truck tonight, but my first half of the day I'll be local, so. Alrighty, I just gotta grab some gears here and get over to the site that I'm starting on today, so give me a shout when you're up. I just want to make sure that you don't sleep in. Hey Siri, set alarm for 6 a.m. today.
I turned on your 6 a.m. alarm.
Well, thank you. Alright, so first day back in the truck after kind of updating everyone on what's going on. This morning I got up at 3:30, loaded my car with food and clothing and my laptop and camera stuff and fueled the truck. It was actually next door at a service center getting some stuff done, which you will have seen in my video before this of, you know, looking at some coolant stuff and cutting my stacks down. So I was going down the road and the gentleman that I work for texted me and wanted to know how far I had made it because there was a change of plans, which in trucking is quite typical. So originally my plan was on my first day back here on the road to head down about 2 hours away and get a load for the Toronto region, and then make my way back east, sleep in the truck, and just do a circuit. Well, on the 401, which is North America's busiest highway, there was a big collision and some plans changed. I guess someone might have called in sick, so I'm being kept local, which is great for me. I was able to get off the highway at the next exit, hit up a Tim Hortons. I grabbed 2 large black coffees. Little trucker tip, most microwaves will accommodate a large Timmy's coffee. I double cup them because then if I'm ever stuck on the road, I can use my Timmy's cup, which is clean with no coffee, to make oatmeal, which I've done for breakfast in the morning. So 2 large black coffees, double cupped. I've now got 2 cups for breakfast for oatmeal tomorrow, Friday, if I decide to do that. And I have 2 because I don't know where I'm going to end up. I don't know, knock on wood, if I might have a delay or a breakdown, etc. So I just kind of stock myself with caffeine for the day. So I have been in the truck just over an hour. First day back, another curveball, another change of plans, but you know what? I'm driving, we're making money, and I'm local now for the morning, and hopefully by the time I hit the highway and get out of town, traffic is cleared up, rush hour is done in the other cities, accidents are cleared up. So we will see what happens today and try to catalog some of these trials and tribulations of being a newer truck driver. Alright, I just got my first load off of the morning, but you guys got to check this out. Best part of driving a truck, front row seat to life. Look at this. So right now it's about...
The young lad's got it all leveled out nice for us because it gets a little sketchy way.
Right now it's about 59 degrees. I got the heat on low, the music on, the windows down. Well, I had it up when I was dumping to keep the sand out of my cab, but...
Yeah, because you get soft spots there.
Sun's coming up. Oh my gosh, guys.
The water, eh?
Guys, look at this. Holy crud. This just doesn't do it justice. You should see, like, it looks like it's on fire.
Holy Christ, everybody's crazy today.
Alright YouTube, we have done 5 loads of sand. We are now getting back on track with what we originally had planned this morning to head down, get loaded, and start heading west towards Toronto. So before we do that, we've swung by the yard, got some paperwork to do, going to throw some fuel on the truck, and we need to sweep out our trailer. I don't want to contaminate any loads. It's a mistake that I've made in the past. It's something that I don't want to do again. So we are going to throw fuel in, go over into the lineup, back up into the back row. I'm going to hop into the trailer, get out the remnants of the sand that we were hauling, and once we're buttoned up with paperwork, get westbound and down. So, enjoy the ride. So while this is fueling, I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna check between all my duals, look for any rocks, check for flats, check the wear and the tires. Just make sure I didn't pick anything up throughout the day before we start heading down the road, and just basically try to avoid any disastrous issues. So while this fuels up, I'll make use of this time, then we'll pull around and continue on with what we gotta do. Carry the 3 times pi. Alrighty, fuel is full, lunch is had. We are on the road for the rest of the day. We're gonna go get loaded and try to avoid rush hour in Toronto, because nobody wants to go through Toronto at rush hour with a clutch. So let's see how far we get before I have to talk to you guys again and update you on another curveball. All right, everyone. So that was crazy. I'm currently stopped in Belleville, Ontario. There was a very bad collision today on the 401. 2 drivers passed away tragically. All of that traffic was then diverted through the town where I was loading. It took me over an hour to go about 4 miles. My left leg was killing me. I'm here at a large truck stop. Not a lot of trucks here right now. It's literally called the 10-acre truck stop. It's 10 acres of parking and there's some fuel and whatnot. So I grabbed some Timmy's, grabbed a coffee, grabbed some dinner. I'm gonna keep my food on board for later. I'm gonna be working a little later than I had hoped for today, but still legal. So we're gonna continue heading down the road. It's getting dark, and I'll finish this off wherever we actually end up for the night. I was hoping to get dumped by around now, but with all the curveballs today, getting those extra loads of sand, and then the traffic, just all these delays, it'll be tight, but we'll get it done, and I'll keep you guys along for the ride. So as you can see right now, the sun is going down. We are still 261 kilometers as the crow flies to the municipality that we are going to. That is not...
Please drive to highlighted route.
That is not to our customer, so I'm not going to show you guys where we actually dump and who we work for and what we're hauling. However, we are going down towards that neck of the woods. So, without further ado, I'm going to make sure that my 5th wheel has not been pulled, my pin has not been pulled while I was out of the truck, and we're gonna keep on going. All right, I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, so we are down on Lake Erie, about an hour west of the bridge to Buffalo, New York. I'm going to be calling it quits here. There's about a 2-hour wait and lineup of trucks ahead of me to get unloaded at this customer. I am now going to be out of hours, so I'm going to button it up, hop in the bunk, and call it quits. So thanks for riding along. Not sure how this is going to turn out. I think my next one is going to be kind of like a morning routine at a truck stop. And this weekend I'll try to get some bus content with the Greyhound. So again, thanks for sticking along, seeing what we do, and catching curveballs along the way. So just have a great time and catch you on the next one.